Carnival Dream, $84.79. It is an aft balcony. Coming in, there's some extra space here before the closets. Closet, closet, closet. Standard bathroom on Carnival. We ordered water, sofa, some extra space between the nightstand and the bed. It has a really long countertop. And then the best part is this view. Go out. It has a connection. And I'll get more video when we're out at sea. We're in Galveston right now. Got a door in between. We have a lounging chair. The balcony next door is similar. That's our friends. And here you have $84.79 on the Carnival Dream. We really loved all the space on the balcony and in the room. The view was amazing. However, there was a lot of soot. We a few times had it drop on us, and then we had to wipe the chairs down before we could sit.